Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Clb library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. As we prepare to resolve Clb library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Clb library, the column listbox library. It provides the unmanaged UI logic for complex listbox controls within the Windows shell and administrative tools. It facilitates the management of the COM+ class registration database and the orchestration of column-based data display. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Clb library DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Clb library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3. And if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Clb library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Clb library references. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Clb library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.